Stop the video. All right, so now if you got a table that somehow could go up higher or lower, that would really help on your back. Instead of having to, I guess I could sit down in a chair. It's starting to look like a beauty. Wow, actually I'm kind of glad I got a bigger one. This is a little bigger than, you know, who knows? It's not too big actually, you know, like for a little shop. For your little utility room. You know, this could even fit on a big desk. Still a lot of screws, which is good, right? I guess that means if you tighten those down, get more stiffness. Let's see. Yeah, what I really like too, so this is really an upgrade from that other one. I wish it came with a 2000 watt spindle, at least a 1500 watt, right? Again, I don't know, but it just seems like those are the ones that people really use for metal cutting, you know. And I know there's some kind of upgrade even for the smaller one of this, to a 2000 or 1500 watts spindle, I think. That could be amazing. But considering what this cost, you know, I don't like that I have to upgrade like to that. I kind of wish it just that was the de facto. All right, so with this one, very confusing. All right, that was a washer. So this one said there was the washer's 14. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, and we got extra. So the washers were good, and it said there was only 14 of the M5, but there's an extra. There was only 6, and we only used 12. Oh, so it should have been 2 extra. So we only used 12, so I should have had 2 extras of these, and there was 2 extras. So they're dead on the washers for both. But for some reason, they kind of trip you on the screws. I hope I don't need these screws for something else. All right. Hopefully those are just extra screws and I'm not screwed. All right, so I think I did everything other than tighten it down, which I'm not going to do too much right now, of the Z-axis. Actually, you know what? Since we're here doing this, on that same page, how this thing turn around. There's the spindle holder assembly. It looks like you just need those 4 screws that I left back in the box. And the spindle thing. Now, I don't think there's any way, you know, this looks like no matter what, there's no up and down. It just goes like it goes. So I guess we should just do this. All right. So this looks like it's going to be pretty easy. Where does it go? So you spindle it right in. It looks like it goes. It lines up. Where does it line up? Well, they show you in the picture. can actually see those two. What are those two? All right. I think I know what we're looking at here. I hope this is not too far away here. Maybe I can bring a chair. All right. Okay. I don't see any washers. So this looks like it's going to be easy peasy. And there's 4, thank goodness. So it looks like it just goes to here. Oh, I'm wrong. Definitely doesn't go there. What the? Okay, it's on the top. All right. The image made it look like it was the bottom. Unless it's upside down, which I don't think it is, but that is weird. It almost looks like it's upside down. So if you look at my drawing, all right, if you see the example, you see how there's 2, I'm gonna point them out. You see how there's 2 bottom ones. Yeah, okay, actually even more evident. You see on this corner, there's these 2. There's the 1 bolted, and then there's these 2. And if you look at mine, well, on one side there's 3. Hold on, is there a 3? Let's see. There isn't. So nowhere, see there's, if you look, there's 2 up at the top, and there's 2 at the top. There is a 3 thing, maybe. Yeah, right there. See that 3? But it's at the bottom. Well, if you look at mine, and there's another 3, I don't see another 3. Okay, the only 3 I see, this one's a little different. The only 3 I see is these 3 bolts going together right there, right next to that one. Well, mine, I got 3 right here. That is not in the diagram. And 3 right here. And 2 right here. And 2 right here. Nowhere in the diagram is that. And then you got these 2 across. Right? There's nothing like that here. There is this one that looks like 2 across right there, but it's at the bottom. Right? Here, I have nothing with 2 across at the bottom. I got 2 across there at the top. Like, did somebody install this backwards? And is that going to be an issue? Maybe not. Probably not. Other than, you know, I have to install this is going to be installed a little higher up, not lower down. All right. Just wanted to point that out, that something's a little out of whack here. All right, but we'll make it work hopefully. But I don't appreciate, so there's only one way to bolt this on, and it's at the top up here. Maybe that was intended, and that instruction is a little older than when they finally finished it. I don't know. So here we go. Yeah, some of these systems have plastic, right? They hold these things. Look, they didn't have that, but you really I'd be looking for the, I don't know. Let's see. We'll see how this spindle works. 500 watts should be tough if the other 300 somehow work. But I really would like, you know, that 1500 watt spindle. All right, so we are done with the spindle. Didn't need the spacer thing. I don't know why. It said it needed it. It was interesting. I don't know. Anyways, man, it's looking beautiful. It's looking beautiful. Very nice. Okay.